Hello everyone. Let's make a rich chocolate cake where you don't have to melt the chocolate. Saves you the stress. So let's make this happen. I'll start by blooming the cocoa. I have the cocoa here, and to it I'll add equal amounts of hot water to dissolve it and then mix. Allow it to cool down. In the meantime, I'll go and prepare the cake. See how thick it is already? Allow this to cool down. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this chocolate cake no melting, and I also have here dark chocolate. Sieve the flour. I'm going to add in the baking powder, baking soda, 2 raisin agents, and then the salt. Sieve it. I'll be using a combination of margarine and vegetable oil. I like the results I get with both. Add in the sugar. It's fun baking with kids. Slightly beat the egg. Milk, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. If you have buttermilk at home, skip this process. You could also use lemon if you don't have vinegar. We add the slightly beaten eggs to it. Just mix it up a bit, not too much. And then the milk, buttermilk. Add vanilla. Time to add the cool down bloom cocoa powder. Chop up the chocolates. It's a bit hard. I just got it from the freezer. I've cut the chocolates into various shapes and sizes. Some will melt and some will not melt. It's all good. Add a teaspoon of flour to the chopped chocolate so it doesn't sink to the bottom of the pan. You can have the chocolates everywhere, so you can just be tasting there. Back to the batter. It's time to add the flour to it. So I'm going to pour in everything. I'm going to fold it in at this stage. I'm going to give it to the kiddo. Kiddo is doing it well. Oh no, it's swallow. Let me go over it again. Mixture is well combined. Add in the chocolate and fold it in. Don't overmix it. I have put on the oven at this point. Here is the baking pan I would use. I have greased beneath the paper and on top of the paper, just a little bit. And then we'll pour in the batter. See how rich it is. I'm going to bake this on the lowest heat till it's done. The cake is done. I browned the top, almost had it burnt. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.